Binary options trading, is it a scam or not? So, binary options trading, is it a scam or not? The answer is no, it's not a scam. And can I make money off trading? Is this even possible? And the answer is yes. So for the last 2 years, I've been doing self-study and trading binary options on the forex market. I have gone from not knowing anything about binary options to now being able to do well over 10 trades in a row. And this has dramatically changed how I earn money and my lifestyle. I wish I had someone teach me and walk a path of learning with me, as this would have radically cut my learning time in half. Quick disclaimer before we begin, we at Binary Boss do not take money to trade on your behalf or to handle your account. And secondly, I would advise that you do not give your money away to any accounts managers or anyone who says they can trade on your behalf, unless of course they are registered with the Financial Services Board. Watch out for those scammers, guys. So what is binary options trading? Well, this is super easy to understand. The word binary simply refers to anything that is composed of two things. So when you're trading binary options, you only have one of two choices to make. Either the rise of an asset or the fall of an asset. If you make the right choice, then you are rewarded with a profit. And this ranges from 50 to about 90 and sometimes 100%. But if you make the wrong choice, then you lose your whole investment. So how do you make the right choices? Well, number one, trading is not gambling. You have to use charts and graphs to predict how the market will turn out in the next couple of minutes. You have to study the market, because just as the saying goes, the best predictor of future behavior is the past. So where is all this trading taking place? Well, this happens on the foreign exchange market. And this is literally a market where people are buying and people are selling. So, and what are these people buying and selling? Currencies. We call it money. And these people do this on a daily basis, sometimes to the tune of $5.1 trillion. So you've heard about forex trading. And what's the difference between that and binary options trading? Well, one of the major differences is that in binary options trading, you have a fixed reward and fixed risk. This means you know exactly how much you will make should you make a right choice and how much you will lose if you make the incorrect choice. The second major difference is that there is an expiration point when it comes to binary options trading. That means you know exactly when a trade is about to end. Other than that, the tools that you will need for both forms of trading is exactly the same if you want to figure out the market. So now you're ready to trade. How do you do it? Well, it's super convenient. You can trade from anywhere in the world at any time. All you need is your phone or your PC or your laptop. Download the trading app or platform that suits you best. My top 3 are IQ Options, Expert Option, and Olymp Trade. You can make an instant deposit into your trading account using your check, credit, or debit card. This starts from as little as $10, which is roughly around 150 Rand. Any profit that you make can be withdrawn directly back into your account, and this normally takes anything between 2 to 7 working days. In my experience, 2 days was the longest that I've had to wait. Please comment below if you have a bank that does this any faster. Alright, here's an example of a winning trade. As you see, it has a beginning, it has an end, it has an expiry time, and at the top you see some numbers flashing. That's how much profit or loss that you're making within the trade. At the bottom you've got some indicators to help you win the trade, and if you guess correctly by the end of the trade, you should have a profit. Please share with your friends and family who would like to know how to do that. This trade happened pretty fast. You can be in a trade for 3 to 1 minute or even less. Anybody can do this, guys. Anybody can understand this. As I said at the top of the video, I learned how to do all of this from scratch. I just want to make it super easy for you to understand that you too can maybe one day make 10K in a day. You can find yourself financially free in a very, very short time. And who doesn't like freebies? We've added a guide to help you get started if you're a new trader. And if you're already trading, we're going to help you to increase the amount of wins that you get in a row. If you have found anything helpful in this video, comment binary boss below. If you like this video, like it. If you don't like it, that's okay. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell at the bottom so that you know when a new video has been uploaded. If you would like to have a full understanding of binary options trading, please join us in a masterclass in an area near you. Find the link to attend the masterclass in the description below.